After King Uzziah's death, his son Jotham became king at just 25 years old. Unlike many before him, Jotham walked faithfully with God. He strengthened Judah, rebuilt gates and towers, and ruled with wisdom and courage. Under his leadership, Judah grew strong. Even their enemies brought gifts in respect. But sadly, while Jotham stayed faithful, the people of Judah didn't follow his example. When Jotham died, his son Ahaz became king, and everything changed. Ahaz turned his heart away from God. He built idols, burned incense to false gods, and even shut the doors of the Lord's temple. Darkness fell over Judah. Enemies attacked from every side: Israel, Aram, and Edom. Ahaz tried to fix it his own way, trusting in foreign gods and kings, but nothing worked. The temple grew silent. The lamps went out. Hope seemed lost. Then a spark of light appeared. Ahaz's son, Hezekiah, took the throne. Young, passionate, and faithful, he wanted to change everything. In the very first month of his reign, he ran to the temple and threw open its doors. Dust flew, sunlight burst in, and the people stared in awe. "Let's clean God's house," he declared. For 16 days, priests and Levites scrubbed, repaired, and restored every corner. When they finished, Hezekiah gathered everyone for worship. The trumpets sounded, the cymbals clashed, and voices rose in joyful praise. After years of silence, music filled Jerusalem again. The people rejoiced, bowing and singing with tears in their eyes. Once closed doors now stood open, shining with the glory of God. And through it all, Judah learned a powerful truth. When the doors of your heart open to God, His light always finds its way in.